Okay, class. Today we're going to do some English work. Yes, evil Elsa. Do you have a question?
Yes. Can I please use the restroom?
Sure. Go ahead, evil Elsa. But come right back.
Miss Kiana thinks I'm going to use the restroom. But instead, I'm going to pull the fire alarm just for fun. H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A. H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A-H-A. I just pulled the fire alarm. Alright. Time for me to get out of here.
What's that noise, Miss Kiana?
It must be the fire alarm, Anthony. We better evacuate at once. Everyone line up. Good job, everyone. You all did great behaving during the fire drill. But where's evil Elsa?
Maybe she's still in the restroom.
You might be right, Randy. But hopefully she'll come back soon.
Evil Elsa. Why would you pull the fire alarm?
Because I wanted to do it for fun.
Well, what you did was not okay. And the fire alarm can only be pulled when there's a real fire drill. Because of what you did, you will be suspended for 3 days. Go home now.
Evil Elsa. We can't believe you pulled the fire alarm at college today. And you got suspended for 3 days as well.
You're grounded for 5 weeks, evil Elsa. Go to your room now.
Well,